Welcome to the setup guide for the RI Cash on Delivery app on your Shopify store. This step-by-step guide will help you integrate the RI Cash on Delivery (COD) app seamlessly into your Shopify store so your customers can enjoy the convenience of paying at their doorstep, safely, reliably, and on their own terms. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once inside, navigate to the Apps section from the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type in RI Cash on Delivery. When it appears in the results, click to open the app. Inside the app, go to the Settings tab on the sidebar. The first step here is to enable the app by turning the status to active. This activates the COD option for your store. You'll then be prompted to choose a payment method. Select Cash on Delivery from the list shown. After this, you'll be asked to configure your shipping rates. This step must be completed from the Shopify admin panel. Click the link provided within the app to access the shipping and delivery page in a new tab. Scroll down to the General Shipping Rates section and review your current zones. If there isn't already a method named Cash on Delivery, click Add Rate. Create the rate, set the amount according to your store's pricing policy, and save your changes. This ensures that COD customers see the correct delivery rate during checkout. Return to the RI Cash on Delivery app and reopen the Settings tab to verify that your payment and shipping options are now active and synced correctly. The app interface will reflect if any step still needs action. Now it's time to visit the Conditions tab. This powerful section lets you decide when the COD option appears or stays hidden during checkout. You'll see two rule settings, any and all. Selecting any means COD will be hidden if even one selected condition is true. Selecting all means COD is hidden only when all conditions are met together. You can customize your cash on delivery settings with an exceptional level of detail, setting rules based on maximum order value, product weight, shipping country, customer's email or phone number, active discount codes, shipping methods, PIN codes, product collections, or even specific vendors. Want to disable COD for gift card purchases or international shipments? You can do that too. These highly specific conditions allow you to tailor the COD experience precisely to your business model, ensuring that it's offered only when it makes strategic and logistical sense. Once your configuration is complete, simply hit Save Settings, and just like that, your Shopify store is equipped with a smart, flexible, and fully controllable cash on delivery system seamlessly powered by the RI COD app. But this isn't just about enabling a payment option. It's about unlocking trust. COD builds confidence with customers who prefer to pay after delivery, reducing purchase hesitation and boosting conversions, especially in markets where prepaid options are less favored. Beyond trust, this system also helps you reduce operational risk. By applying rules around order limits, PIN codes, and product types, you can avoid high-risk deliveries, streamline last-mile logistics, and save on unnecessary shipping costs. Whether you're launching a seasonal collection, running a regional campaign, or scaling into new territories, you'll have complete control over when and where COD appears during checkout. The flexibility of this app ensures that your store's policies evolve in real time, aligned with marketing strategies, inventory availability, and customer behavior. Need to update your preferences? No problem. The app is always just a click away, ready to adapt with your store as it grows and changes. You can easily revisit the settings to adjust rules, enable or disable certain zones, test new approaches, or run limited time COD offers for selected SKUs. With the RI Cash on Delivery app, you're not just offering another payment option, you're creating a streamlined, thoughtful, and dependable shopping experience, one that reduces friction, increases conversions, and brings your customers closer to your brand with every order. This is COD done your way, smart, secure, and built to scale. Start by navigating to the Settings tab in your Shopify admin panel. From there, open the Shipping Settings section. As you scroll down, you'll come across a list of available shipping methods, including options like shipping to pickup points, local delivery, and more. This is where you begin defining how the cash on delivery (COD) option should behave based on the customer's selected delivery method. These configurations are especially important if your store caters to diverse regions with varying delivery capabilities or if you're running specific COD campaigns tied to delivery modes. Once your shipping preferences are set, head over to the Conditions menu in the RI COD app to further customize your setup. Here, disable all existing conditions except for subtotal. Set the minimum subtotal value to 100 rupees and the maximum to 500 rupees and choose Not Within Range as the condition type. This ensures that COD will only be shown for orders falling outside this defined subtotal range. For example, a customer ordering items worth 450 rupee will not see COD as a payment option, while someone ordering above 500 rupees or below 100 rupee will still be able to access it. This is particularly useful when you're trying to limit COD to larger, more reliable transactions and reduce risk on smaller orders. To validate your setup, visit your store's front end and select the product priced exactly at 500 rupees. Add it to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. When you reach the payments section, try choosing cash on delivery. You'll notice that it still appears as a valid payment option. This confirms that the condition is working exactly as intended and that your configuration has been successfully applied in real time. After confirming that everything is functioning properly, return to the home menu in the RI COD app. This dashboard is your central hub for tracking performance. It displays real-time stats such as the total number of COD orders placed, those currently in processing or transit, the total amount collected via COD, and a clear summary of all active conditions applied. This real-time visibility helps you stay on top of every stage of your order cycle. At a glance, you'll know what's working and where changes might be needed, making it easier than ever to respond to customer feedback, address bottlenecks, or adapt to unexpected shifts in demand. The best part? These settings don't just offer granular control, they empower your operations with unmatched flexibility. Whether you're running time-sensitive promotional campaigns, offering COD only in specific zones, or temporarily disabling COD during high-risk windows like flash sales or festive peaks, you can make these updates in just a few clicks. No complex coding, no third-party tools, just a clean, intuitive dashboard built to simplify and streamline your operations. With this setup, you're not just enabling a payment method, you're embracing a smarter, more dynamic way to offer cash on delivery that balances customer expectations with operational efficiency and business agility. And as your business grows, this system grows with you. You can fine-tune COD preferences at any point based on geography, order volume, or customer behavior, ensuring you're always in control no matter the scale. It's COD, but redefined to be proactive, responsive, and truly built for the modern e-commerce landscape. You can create conditions as simple or complex as your strategy requires, from excluding COD for high-value luxury items to enabling it only for repeat customers in trusted locations. Track COD performance trends over time and use these insights to make data-driven decisions on where and how to offer it more effectively. Got a sudden surge in orders? Easily pause COD during rush periods and resume it instantly. No delays, no confusion. Test COD availability across zones to optimize conversions and reduce returns. Give your support team clear visibility into COD rules and orders, speeding up resolutions. Whether you're scaling fast or serving local markets, the system flexes with your flow. It's more than a payment option, it's a trust builder that boosts delivery success and buyer confidence.